Students, this is NCERT problem 2.5 from page number 39 of structure of atom, right? So let's read the statement. Calculate wave number and frequency of yellow radiation having wavelength 5800 angstrom. Okay, so in this question, they have given you a yellow radiation whose wavelength is 5800 angstrom. And you have to find the wave number, that means nu bar, and frequency of yellow radiation, right? So first of all, we'll see wave number, right? So wave number it is denoted by nu bar is inverse of wavelength, right? That means 1 by lambda. So wavelength we are having 5800 angstrom. 5800 angstrom. First of all, I'll convert this value into SI unit, right? So in 1 angstrom, there is 10 raised to power minus 10 meters, right? So in bracket, you can write 1 angstrom is equal to 10 raised to power minus 10 meter, right? So I'll convert this value into meter. 5800 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter, right? Now let's put the values. So nu bar equal to 1 by lambda, that means 1 by 5800 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. When I'll take this 10 raised to power minus 10 in numerator, it will be 10 raised to power 10, right? So nu bar equal to 10 raised to power 10 by 5800 and units meter inverse. Let's divide 10 raised to power 10 with 5800, right? So can I write 10 raised to power 10 as 10 raised to power 4 plus 6, right? If I am having 4 plus 6, that will be equal to 10, right? So 10 raised to power 4 plus 6 means we are having powers in multiplication, right? So it will be 10 raised to power 4 into 10 raised to power 6. Now 10 raised to power 4 means I am having 4 zeros with this 1 into 10 raised to power 6. Now let's put the values. 10 raised to power 10 means 10,000 into 10 raised to power 6 divided by 5800 meter inverse. Now cancel these two zeros with this. 100 divided by 58, the answer will be 1.724 into 10 raised to power 6 meter inverse, right? Now let's find the value of frequency. The formula of frequency it is denoted by nu and formula is c upon lambda, right? Now c is velocity of light, 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, right? Lambda it is 5800 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. Now let's put the values. C 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second divided by lambda 5800 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter, right? I'll cancel this meter with this. So if I'll take this 10 raised to power minus 10 in numerator, it will be 10 raised to power 10. So 10 raised to power 8 into 10 raised to power 10, right, divided by 5800 units second inverse only. So if I am having powers in multiplication, simply add these powers. So 10 raised to power 8 plus 10 divided by 5800, right? So it is second inverse. 10 raised to power 8 plus 10, it will be 10 raised to power 18, right? Divided by 5800 second inverse. Now, can I write this 10 raised to power 18 as 10 raised to power 4 plus 14. I am having powers in addition. That means these powers are in multiplication. So 10 raised to power 4 into 10 raised to power 14, right? So let's put the value of 10 raised to power 18 over here. So 3 into this 10 raised to power 4 means I am having 4 zeros with this 1 into 10 raised to power 14. So I'll put the values 10 raised to power 14 second inverse divided by 5800. Cancel these two zeros with these. 3 into 100, it will be 300 to 10 raised to power 14 divided by 58. 300 divided by 58, the answer is 5.172 into 10 raised to power 14 second inverse. 1 second inverse is equal to hertz. So 5.172 into 10 raised to power 14 hertz is your final answer.